Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. This is my outfit. This is actually a dress. You guys have the inside scoop. So this is actually a dress that I'm wearing as a skirt because I love the pattern of it and the flow of it. And then this is a crop top. You guys would have seen me wear like a black version to this. I wore a black version to this at the YouTubers brunch and I bought it in white. So happy I did, because I don't have a lot of white crop tops, so I bought like 2 white crop tops, this one and another one. So this is the outfit. You know, I wear the same jewelry every single time. These are my nameplates, my Ashley Carla and my regular Ashley, and I wear the same earrings all the time. When it comes down to jewelry or anything at all, I'm a person of habit. So I wear the same shoes all the time, the same jewelry all the time, same hair all the time. Like, I can't bother to like figure out what works and what doesn't. So I just wear what I know works. You know what I mean? So yeah. And then I'm just wearing my sandals. And as I said, I wear the same shoes all the time. And I always try to like buy new sandals and new things, but I always go back to wearing the same thing all the time. So I just stopped because it don't make sense buying things and then not using them. So, but I'm just gonna wear clear lip gloss today, I think, or like my pinky nude. I'm gonna carry this bag today, which is one of the bags that I thrifted in Canada. It has like a long strap, but I'm gonna be wearing it like this. I love wearing it like this, and it matches my sandals. My sandals is black, so whoever said you can't wear black and brown, they lied. We're at the coffee festival right now, Jamaica Mountain Coffee. We've been working, so I just getting a chance to vlog. I'm glowing. This is sweat, guys, but it looks good. The glow, it looks like, you know, natural, but it's really sweat. But it's a festival.
And if you're also here in the States,
This is just the back side of the festival, though. I'm gonna show you guys inside a little sooner. Yeah, outfit cam. Where's the dress from?
Wait. I have no idea.
It's cute though.
Yeah.
It's giving summertime fine. Yeah. Period. Yeah. Can I see the back? You know, I have a brown one. Yes, I have a brown one. Exactly like it. Period. Jamaican made.
Ring is from Chrissy's Coils.
Chrissy Coils. We love Chrissy Coils in this house. Stan account, yeah. And that's it. Yeah, the outfit cute. Bad. Late bug. Just a second.
No.
I need an outfit cam. No. Outfit cam, please. What are we wearing? She doesn't know.
I don't know what brand this is from, guys. I get a lot of stuff sent to me, but it's just a romper. It's white. It's kind of thin.
It's not. It doesn't. No, it doesn't show. It looks good.
And this is from Shein. It kind of looks covers on my feet.
Not Shein making a feature again today.
Yeah. So that's really. Oh, and this is from Wood and Water Accessories.
Yes, I know that Jamaican brand. Period.
Yes. And then this is Guess and my hair. I don't know.
Okay.
Makeup.
We love that. A mix of Jamaican brands, because she's wearing Miss Bridget's on the feet.
Yes.
Period.
Did you do yours?
No, I didn't. But I don't know what I'm wearing.
But it looks good.
I don't know what I'm wearing. I bought this at a random place in Canada.
She's so pretty. No.
And then this, I think it's from Shein, but it's a very old dress. Then slippers, very old leather sandals. Look at my toes.
Okay, no problem.
And then my bag is thrifted.
Oh, it's so cute.
But I can't manage it too bad, so I run away. That's my outfit cam, guys.
Sorry. Okay, we're here. Where are you? The quality on here is so good.
Okay, I need an outfit cam. What are we wearing?
Miss Simply
Clothes.
Local.
Miss Simply Local, like, period. Pair Celebritina. Clothes. Everybody tell me what I'm on.
Shein or Shine.
No, why is everybody wearing Shein? $5.
Cheap and look good.
Everybody has on something from Shein right now. I am dead. I like it though. I really like it. And the fan, is this local made?
I got it at Holiday. I don't.
Well, okay, all right. And the
But it
shoes.
works. The shoes are, I don't know. The earrings. This is from.
Give us something.
This is from a craft vendor in the Bahamas.
Okay, we love that. Support local in Bahamas.
Yes. Shop locally.
Okay, outfit cam. What we wearing?
I got this from Closet Clothes.
Okay.
Don't remember where I got this. And these are from Shein.
Wow. We need Shein sponsorship ASAP. Hi. This is a nice little setup you guys have here.
JA sipping wine bar, you know, everything wine related right here.
Of course.
Wait, let me get everyone like this way. And this is blue way. You guys are so wet. Touch it in your life. Okay, ready? Oh. Cheers. You ready?
No,
yeah, wait. Are you ready? Yeah. Wait.
Good though.
Which one's this? Oh, this is good. Yeah. Oh, this is good. You guys can come back and check us out. No, this is good. Not tip over. Things.
That was good.
So you guys can find us on Instagram at Wine For Me. You can scan the barcode and it will take you to the Instagram page.
Wine For Me, JN.
Sure. Oh, you guys, the bin is on the outside. Oh. No, it's fine.
Jewelry by Fola. It's cute. teeth and all these things. I'm not coming. I'm not coming. She's gonna go on the telly.
Okay, we're gonna be doing an interview. We're excited.
Oh my God, make some noise please for the beautiful Member of Parliament, First Lady, the Honorable Juliet Holness, and thanks to Amelia for showing thanks to Miss Juliet.
Kimberly.
Hello, Kimberly. Yeah. I would not have guessed. Hi, Kimberly.
Kimberly's looking at me like, girl.
All Python.
Ooh. Kimberly likes Ashley.
I know, you're just looking at me like.
Yeah.
She's checking you out. She's smelling. They stick out their tongue to smell. She's chill. She's a really
Watching me though, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
She's a good snake.
I like snakes.
I like her.
Hold on.
Is this one where you guys? This one was hatched at home too, or?
No, this one was actually rescued. Someone had it as an illegal.
Looky here. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, I need an outfit cam. Come. Come. Who's where's the outfit from? Let us know.
What are you doing?
No, I did this to everybody.
I think everything is from a Shein, including the bag. The slippers is from a wholesale in Spanish Strong.
Period.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Twirl. Yeah.
Girl.
Period. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. It was really good seeing everybody. Usually they keep the festival up in the Blue Mountain, but it was kind of nice to get like a change of scenery this year for the festival, especially since like outside is finally open again. I think it's the first, Coffee Fest is like the first event that we've had since the curfew have lifted. You realize, Anika? I didn't actually realize that, so that's actually pretty impressive. But it was good. It was a good little festival. It was really good seeing everybody, all the creators that I saw today. I tried to get as much as them in my vlog as possible, but it was a really good time. It was fun. It was hot. It was very hot, but it was fun, and we had a good time. So I'm gonna close the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys next week, and